Hello, my dear guest. Sometimes you will need to count how many objects have specific property. Let me show you how you can do it. We have an array of objects with different statuses, and we want to know how many of them with status success. So let's say const status success count equals. First, we need to iterate over array and use filter function to filter all objects that has status success. The object, and here we will return object, and we need status equals to success. And to know the count, how many, we will use length. And now when we console log, we'll have to. So everything works perfectly. And that's it. And remember to be kind to yourself. Have a great day. Bye.